How can you test with small sample sizes? What if you could create an AI-powered focus group before you release every piece of collateral? You are looking at the next generation in thinking about your customer and understanding how they make decisions. For 30 years in our research lab, we've discussed the importance of building a customer theory. The customer theory allows you to predict customer behavior. We're at a new level now. No longer do you need a customer theory, you need an embodied customer theory. This is one of the world's first customer simulators. Meet Jill Taylor. You can see a background on Jill right now. I can tell Jill what I'm trying to sell. I can show her a headline. I can share with her an email. Right now I'm going to ask her, how do I get past your gatekeeper? Now, Jill is not simply an approximation of how I think my customer would think. She's a composite of all the data flowing into my system. More than that, every interaction on the front of my website with other agent delivery systems is empowering the composite understanding of Jill. Indeed, I'll show you in just a moment how this works. But let's go back up and look at the kind of answer I'm getting from Jill. All right, I'm Jill Taylor, Director of Marketing at a mid-sized B2B software company in Austin. I've been on both sides of the sales fence, so I get where you're coming from with this question. I'm asking Jill to figure out how I can get to her directly through her admins and her assistants. She's sharing her reality, common problems, realistic strategies to reach her. And with all of this, I'm beginning to understand a way to get through the guards. Now, hold on a moment, because that's just the first question, but I could speak with Jill. Let's try that. Jill, let me ask you a question.
Of course.
How do I get past your gatekeepers? Can you give me even the kind of wording I should use, who I should talk to? Give me more direction.
Sure. Let me break it down. How to navigate gatekeepers in the organization. Step 1. Identify the right stakeholder. You need to target someone who has both the authority and the pain point. For a mid-sized B2B SaaS company, that's likely the director of marketing or head of...
Jill, can I interrupt you for a moment? I have another question for you. Have you ever had any bad buying experiences with someone selling you products like mine?
Sure, I can share that. Let me break it down. Past buying experiences, the good, the bad, and the ugly. The not-so-great experiences. I've run into a few rough patches buying marketing automation tools in the past. Here's what tends to sour the deal. Over-promising, under-delivering. I've had vendors tout plug-and-play features that turned out to need months of customization. Hidden costs. Suddenly, halfway through onboarding, I discover add-ons or integrations.
Now listen, every time you launch a campaign, you could speak to Jill first. You could show her your social media ads. You could get her take on how things will strike her thought sequence, how she assesses value, what she's afraid of, what she's attracted to, but more. Every time an interaction occurs on your website, Jill is getting smarter. Why? Because a unit like Jill could be on the front side generating leads, and all the while, something else is happening. If I go into my settings, let's just go there for a moment, I can go to analytics. I can pick up one of the agent delivery systems that I have working right now. And when I select that system, right here, a transcript analysis begins to unfold. I'll go into one right now. So in this system, the agent delivery is an ADS, or a system like Jill, that meets people interacting with my website, answers their questions, and drives leads. Recently, I've had 2,123 interactions with 1,166 users. Let me just go back, let's go back a week and analyze what's going on. Now, this will take a moment because every single conversation, whether it's by voice or by text on the front of my website has become a data mine. And right now, powerful AI agents from the MechLabs AI platform are analyzing all of the conversations. They're going to extract from those conversations critical conversion levers, leads, and intelligence that will help me improve my customer simulator. This is intelligence on recent leads. This is real. And I can see the contact and organization, the use case, urgency, timing factors, buying readiness, personal segments. Here's an actual name who's submitted their phone number asking for help. Here's the MechLabs conversion sequence applied to discover the psychological levers that will drive a conversion, motivation, the force of the value proposition, incentive, friction, anxiety. And then there is the gold, the ICP decision model, my ideal customer profiles decision model. Every conversation is adding to the wisdom that we're gleaning about our customers. And all of that information is being powered back into my customer simulator so that when I ask Jill a question, her representation of the customer gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Marketer, entrepreneur, this is a new world. This is your opportunity to get such a powerful set of insights that you field offers which get far more yeses, thus lowering CAC, customer acquisition cost, and raising average customer value, and changing the margin structure of your business. Do not miss out at a time when arbitraging this type of data can transform your results.